Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to use the slip tool in Premiere Pro. You can have the access to slip tool by coming over here, or you can simply press Y on your keyboard. Again, the slip tool is also a trimming tool, but how it works and what it does is basically it changes the in and out point of this footage on which we are working. Okay, it keeps the duration same, but it changes its in and out point. All right, so let me just show you this clip of deers where this deer is walking, and this is the in point and this is the out point when this buck comes out. Okay, and thereafter this children footage starts. Okay, so this is the in point and this is out point. What if I want to change its in point and out point both? So normally if I have to do that in a normal manner, what I'll do, I will choose the move tool and let me drag it upside. Okay, because if I'll do over here, it will start, I will not be able to do that. Okay, so I have to drag it up. Okay, and now I'll click and drag its out point, maybe something like this. Okay, or if I want to drag it down or trim it, then let's say I want this buck to remain under the tree, and you can see in the preview panel only this deer footage is being affected, not the adjacent which is of the children. Okay, that remains the same. So let's say I want this to be remain under this tree only, and over here I need to drag it here so that it snaps with it, and then I can click and drag the in point out. Okay, so I have changed the in point from here to here, so that is the out point. But as you can see, it has involved too many steps. But if you are using the slip tool, then it becomes very easy. You don't have to place this clip upside and then you have to trim it, then you have to snap it, and then you have to extend the in point. You can do all these with the help of the slip tool in a just single step. So watch over the preview panel when I use the slip tool. So I click and drag it to the left direction, and as you can see, in the preview panel we have three footage or three preview. First is of the children, which is the small. Okay, so children footage is not being affected, and on the bottom we have two large preview. One is the in point and one is the out point, and moment I drag it towards the left side, you can see both are moving, both are changing the time. So that means it is affecting in point as well as changing its out point. So I drag it towards the left side and you can see my in point is being changed. Okay, and as well as the out point. My duration will always remain the same. Okay, but it will change the in point and out point. Okay, so let's say if I drag it over here, maybe something like this. So now if I see the footage, you can see this black buck is out of the tree, and then it is moving out, and here the next footage starts. All right, but if I want to again make the changes, I click and drag it towards the right this time, and you will see this time what happens. This black buck is over here, this is the in point, and it remains out, or it remains within the tree somewhat, and then the next footage starts. So that means it has changed its in point and out point. All right, so let me show you once again. If I click and drag it towards the right side, you can see my in point of the footage is when this deer is walking and it's coming, and then this black buck remains over here only. If I click over here. So as you can see, it remains under the tree only. And now I will use the slip tool. So click and drag it, let's say yes, over here. And now see the difference. This black bug now is out of the tree. Okay, so this is the out point now. So I can easily change the timing of this footage with the help of slip tool. So I can drag it to the left side or to the right side without changing its direction or duration. All right, the duration will always remain the same. So I hope you have understood this tool. So thank you so much. See you in the next lecture.